Assalamu alaikum, you guys. Hope you're doing well today. I'm here at Dubai Mall, but I came from the Zabil Mall. There's a link that's linking us from Zabil to Dubai Mall. So I just wanted to show you some shenanigans. That is the ground floor, that's the first floor, and I'm at the second floor. And seriously, you see how pretty the mall itself looks, even on summer weekend like this. So just be with me, you guys, and I'll show you whatever I hop into today. And it's the second floor, and it's been quite long since I made a video, but then it's like this much of a gap is not okay, so I'm back, and let's just get along with our series of videos. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I would really appreciate if you would leave your comments on what you want to see in my further videos. So this is a very cute little corner that I see a lot of people getting it captured. This is a cute chandelier globe, and it changes colors. Let me zoom it a bit more for you guys, and this is how it looks. And we have some setup over here from Chopard, and I think we have a cafe over here as well, not sure, but yes, there's another one for Bulgari as well. So you have the coffee shops, Caribou, etc over here, and let's just go and see what we want to see. And here we have the Emirates experience if you want to have over here. This is the second floor, mind you, and I'm coming from the Zabil link. You have Skechers, and you have a lot of footwear. Over there we have Clarks as well, and it has also some offer going on. So my target is this shop, Bizou. Let me go inside and get some stuff, and then I'll show you what I get. So guys, I'm at the ground floor. I am heading towards the place where we have to go and have our food. These are very pretty jewelry stalls over here. If you want to buy, you can always come at the lower ground in Dubai Mall, and you can find a lot of pretty jewelry over here, and perfumes, and irons, hair irons, etc. So I'm going towards the place that serves the best steak in Dubai. So I'll show you, and I'll catch up with you guys with the food that I will be having. So guys, I am at one of my favorite places called Hurricane Grill. They have the best steaks, you could see, and I would just go find a place inside, and I'll show you what I eat. And there are a lot of other dessert places over here that have opened recently. So guys, I'm going to order this, and in the meantime I'm waiting for the order. They have served us some popcorns, and do you see this pretty place? I love this. The interior, it's called Wild Souls. Make sure to pay a visit if you want some desserts, etc. They have some cool drinks option as well, so make sure to give it a small visit if you want to have some coffee, snacks, desserts, etc. So guys, like I mentioned that I would show you one of the best steaks in Dubai, and it is this one from Hurricane, and I take their peri peri because it's saucy, it's a bit spicy, it give relief to your taste of steak. And my husband is having their garlic butter ones. Both ones are truly recommended if you want to come over here and try. This place is called Hurricane, like I added the shot before showing you the steak. So you can always come here. It's in Dubai Mall, opposite to these pretty places. So yeah, let's enjoy the meal, and I'll catch up with you guys with a few more stuff for the day. So stay tuned and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So guys, this is weekend, and you could see the amount of crowds and people over here. It's enormous so far, but because it's hot, so everybody, they try to come for recreation or whatsoever in the malls these days. So that's why there are huge crowds everywhere. You could see I'm zooming it for you guys to view it better. So I'm done with the food and heading to the next place, and I'll show you guys where I go and what I have from there. So stay tuned. So guys, here I am for shisha with Moroccan tea. So this place is called Kashish Lounge, and we are here for the Euro Cup as well. So you can see it's been played over here. This is a very peaceful place. You won't find much of the crowd over here, and the shishas are very good as well. So yeah, this is how it is. There are less people. The place is new. It's the air conditioning is good. Their food is very good. The shisha is one of the best I've ever had in Dubai. And then you can watch the matches side by side. So it's a mixture of all the amazing things that you can encounter in any shisha cafe. And it's on the main Sheikh Zayed Road after the on passive metro station towards Abu Dhabi. So that's it for my video for today. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and leave your comments about what do you want to see more in my channel. I would like to just show the name of the place to you guys. It's Kashish, and yeah, I'll catch up with you guys in my very next video. So until then, take care and Allah Hafiz. With some of the end time views of the match.